How to track someone's location with a phone number free app. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to track someone's location with a phone number free app. First, open Google Chrome on your mobile device. Now search for Truecaller number check. Then click on Free Reverse Phone Lookup from the search results. Now enter the phone number you want to track. Then tap the search icon. After that, you'll be asked to sign in. Tap on Google Cloud and select your Google account. Next, tap on Continue to proceed. Here, you will find details associated with the number, including the location if available. For more accurate tracking, you can also try apps like Find My Device or Find My iPhone if you have access to the target person's account. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.